All right, today in the shop we're working on the exhaust on this Miata. It's got an aftermarket exhaust and an aftermarket bumper. So the aftermarket exhaust, when it was, it's unbolted right now, but I'll kind of show you the way it was hanging there. So the hangers don't actually reach the hangers on the exhaust. Hangers don't reach the hangers on the frame. So the exhaust is kind of hanging over here and hanging a little bit low. So we're gonna tack some new hangers on it and get some new hangers welded up onto the exhaust and get it centered in this cutout for the exhaust and get it up where it belongs. And we'll get that done and show you the steps along the way. Okay, here's the exhaust. This hanger should be fine. It reaches without any problem. These two are the two hangers that are too short. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take some rod and just extend these hangers up a little bit and make the hook on them. So weld some extensions, make an additional hook on them. Okay, we got our extensions hanging down there, and we're gonna get our exhaust put back in, figure out where we need to cut them. All right, we got it all clamped up in there. Getting ready to tack those on so we can get it back out and get them welded back up. It's looks like it's sitting pretty good in the back, pretty well centered. The challenging thing about TIG welding, you really need a finger trigger, but trying to tack a situation like this is you have a pedal. I'm going to try to hit with my knee, and then you still have to get the torch and the filler wire all up under here, all at the same time, while making a decent tack so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, got that one. This one. Tack it. I'm gonna melt those rubber mounts. Okay. Hopefully those tacks are good enough to hold it. Okay, all the hard work's done. Now it's just a matter of TIG welding everything up. So that part's actually pretty easy. A little bit of soapy water. Makes it even a little easier. Let's let it on. That one did as well. So did that one. All right, good to go. Grab a gasket. Okay. Started. All right, looks quite a bit better. It's up in there solid. I'm calling this one done.